First try Wednesday.
First try Wednesday.
Camera on me.
Camera on Jared.
Whisper at home.
First try Friday. Or first try Wednesday. You get one roll up. That's it.
Hey, I don't care. I'll just go.
All right.
He doesn't need that one roll up.
Wait, I'm not ready yet. First try Wednesday with Jared Howell. Kickflip the gap. Oh, he did it! First try. G-code swag. Swag surfing.
That's what I call swag.
Put your hat forward. There you go. Kickflip the gap.